could talk about it from inflammatory perspective themselves. You can talk about it, the types of fats that are in it, which are either pro-inflammatory or anti-inflammatory. You can also talk about it from a food sensitivity perspective that also has kind of an immunogenic and allergic type of inflammation. And so you can also talk about it from a gut perspective. So all those things are obviously a lot more detailed. So what I can really basically say right now, especially as it relates to hormones, is that you want to eat foods that are real foods. That sounds like super basic, but you need to make sure that you're eating real foods, and processed foods have all the things in it that you should not be consuming that are going to be pro-inflammatory. The difference between frozen pizza and something that you will actually maybe
And a real pizza from Italy.
Yeah. I mean, it's better. But okay, but even if we do that, so we say that tongue in cheek. But if you home make your pizza, you know exactly what's going into it. You don't need to put 4 or 5 other ingredients in it that are going to be more preservatives than anything else. And so all that has a pro-inflammatory effect. I will say the one thing that I've noticed over and over again with my patients is that, food sensitivities, especially gluten, is a huge issue. It's neuroinflammatory. It makes the gut more permeable. It makes the blood-brain barrier potentially more permeable. So that's a big one. And then as many different colorful fruits and vegetables as you can.